So hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see a new video. So this video is related to three things. First is downloading and installation of new update of NetBeans IDE. And third thing, writing a program in Java language in NetBeans IDE. So let's begin our video. So in Google search menu, we will search NetBeans. After searching NetBeans, we have to click on the first website shown in the menu. So here we are able to see the download section in the above, which is shown in green color. So we have to click on it. We have come to this page. In this page we have to download this for Windows operating system. So for Windows operating system we generally download exe file. So we will click on the exe file. Here we are able to see many downloading links. So to start the download we have to click any of the above links. So I am clicking on the first link. As you could see in the above, the downloading process has been started. I have already downloaded the file. So for not wasting your time, I am stopping the download and going for the next steps. Okay. We have came to download section. Here in download section, we are able to see this file. So we have to double click on this file and run this file. As you could see here, we have to click on the next button. We have to agree for terms and conditions, and thereafter we have to click on next button. After clicking on next button, here you could see that we have to select a path. By default, C drive has been selected as a path, but if you want to change the path, you could also change it. And in the below menu, you are able to see that by default JDK download has been selected. If JDK download is not in your folder or not in your PC, you have to download it. For downloading that, you could refer to previous video available on this channel. Okay. We have to simply click on next button here. So after clicking on next button, you will be able to see the installation icon. So here we have to click on installation icon, and thereafter the installation process will be started. And here you could see that installation process has been started. So please patiently wait for completion of the installation process. Our installation process has been completed, so we clicked on finish button, and let's open this file and let's run a Java program in it. So here I am opening the file. After opening the file, you will be shown this interface. So writing any program in NetBeans IDE, first of all we have to create a project. So for creating the project, we will click on the file menu, and here we will have to create a project. So for creating the project, we have clicked on the file menu. So here I am creating a new project in Java with and. So as you could see here, I am creating a project. You could also name your project as per your requirement. As you could see here, I am changing the project name. So after doing all this, we have to click on finish button. So here our project creation process has been completed. So let's see the next step. Here I am going to create a program or write a program. So here I am writing a very small program. Here I have written a program After writing the program, we have to run the program. So we will run the program after writing of the program. So here you could see that the program is being running. So here you could see that our output is successfully visible here. So I think this video was helpful to you. If this video was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So your appreciation gives us the motivation. Thank you for seeing this video. Okay, thank you guys.